cap within a 1 minute time. And after 4 minutes, it's already down to 6.5. So, I mean,
I'm going to split it, so it's like a board slider, typically split zipper, restart it.
He's reaching into the deep freezer. The greatest thing about water is
Yeah, I just loosen it up a little bit,
water binds to itself.
and I go back over the split
So when you
without damaging the teeth.
the next one,
And I just retighten it,
so it just continues to come right to where it's attracted to.
and I just heal the tooth zipper without,
We were lucky and
unless you start in the middle. They all start in the middle. And you open up the teeth a lot wide enough. Tighten down the thumb screw. Make sure your teeth are totally underneath the wings. Just give a little tug. I just started it in the middle. And it fits 5 and 8 coil, and it fits 5 through 7 teeth. These are typical teeth that you find on hoodies.
You have 3 packs here too?
And the 3-pack here would be for an avid outdoorsman, because if he carries this, it fixes anything that they make for the outdoor industry.
About
Most everything.